Why is my thing lagging so bad? DJT, this looks good. Gonna not take it. Not gonna take it, not gonna take it. Pretty good though. Some volume coming into this. Why is my thing lagging so bad? Oh no. Okay. Big volume in DJT. Big volume. It looks good. It does look good. Oh well, I guess it's about to fail though. That's why you wait for 5 minutes. Now it's legit if it, well hopefully it might not, if it holds then I guess it's fine. But ideally it UNRs it and then you go for the 5 minute. That would be real confirmation. Pretty brutal drop though. You could buy it right here. You really thought it was going to hold all day? 4 cents a risk. And then you're about to get stopped out right now. Oh shit. No way, right? No way. You're already up. It's holding. I kind of want to buy some, but can't really bring myself to do it. I'm gonna watch it go without me. Maybe I should. SoFi is on a ripper. Should not. Dude, my account's ripping, bro. My account is ripping! Oh my gosh, I haven't seen like returns like this in a long time. Like what? Like we're getting extended. Like there's just no way we keep going up. Probably a good idea to put some trims on soon. Really good idea. DJT, what are you doing, baby? If it can't take out the 1 minute like previous candle highs, it's like trash. You gotta at least take out a high. Gold, Bitcoin, just tightening up, looks fine. MSTR, looks fine. DJT! Oh, my hair looks terrible, I forgot. Sorry, guys. I know a lot of you came for my looks, but bad hair day. Or actually, well, I need my hair to dry. Just got out of the shower. So once it dries, I'll be chilling. SoFi. Hey. Now I need to get over 1490 and then over 1490. 16. Look how well it's trending. Just like cleanly off this 5 moving average. That's what you want. You just want a clean trend. There you go, DJT broke low a day. Cool. Let's put an alert right here. And then maybe we can buy this on the 5-minute opening range break. That 1 minute was too sketchy. I think we actually just double topped. If you go to the, yeah, that was just a double top short setup, actually, on the 5-minute. Right through this left side peak and then right back down. 620. There you go. Root needs more time. Yeah, this didn't, I mean, this looked okay, but it needs to get tight on the 10 and the 20, so it needed more time. That's fine. Still no trades. I'm trying to get all my money to work, but can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. I need somebody to like announce a buy increase on SoFi, like a bank or something. Need like a what is it called? Price target like change or something like that. DJT can actually no. Let some see I should the bed. This wasn't a good EP because you had a 16% update before that. If you go back here, yeah. Yeah, you want it tight. Rocket Lab just needs a day or two and it's gonna look really good. Unless it goes for this high right here. I mean literally, move up, lose a 20, reclaim, then put in a tight day, clean flag, higher lows, lower highs. That'd be perfect. Lacks momentum, kind of. I mean, you had like this move was, 45% in 3 days. Not really. That's fine. QBTS, just putting a little flag here. I like that a lot. Yeah, market probably gonna pull back here. Needs more sideways. I'm just rip like 6% in like 2 days, like off the lows. What is it? Yeah, almost 7%. We're almost back to all-time highs. Some digestion would be healthy. Also, suck in the shorts. Suck in the shorts and then rip it. Yeah, this is a good one. Somebody in my chat room talked about NetX. Whoops. Who was it? Oh yeah. 6% stop on the 1 minute. It's just a liquid. It's so illiquid. There's no way I'm trading this. Hell no. If it was a little bit more liquid, I could have maybe I would have like tried it, but hell no. whatever, it needs more time. Alright, so probably a nothing day for me. Again, another nothing day. Just not, and like we're extended, right? You don't want to be chasing like, yeah, like you don't want to be chasing stocks now or chasing setups, 29% off the lows. You just can't do that. Like you need to let these, you need sideways for 5 to 10 days. Let these moving averages catch up. The strongest stocks, even when the market's going sideways, will continue higher or just set up again. So, trust your stocks, but at the same time, buying new stocks probably isn't a great idea. Just probably not the best idea. And then you have the breadth. Like, look how fast. We went from like extremely over sold to like we're overbought. Right, you're in overbought territory near market tops. Right at that 70 level. So, you gotta be careful. Like then you get a fresh pullback to like 47.50, and then QQQ goes sideways for 3-4 days. Let shorts pile in, and then you're fine. But like this chop right here is what you want to see. This is constructive. Like you're like the QQQ is really not doing anything, but it's not doing anything, but like you're still. That's the point. It's just not doing anything. It's not giving back gains, but it's not going higher. It's just consolidating. That's healthy. And then like during this period, right? Like what, May 2nd? Like what was PLTR doing May 2nd? Like putting in new highs. Right, May 3rd, new highs. QQQ, May 3rd, right, pulling back. That's what you want to see from your stocks. So the pullback periods are healthy, but your stocks should also resemble that. That's why, bro, people pay way too much attention. People pay way too much attention. I know I'm bringing up the indexes, but like people pay way too much attention to the indexes. Just like look at how the stocks are acting, and if the stocks are acting good, if they're making new highs or they're going sideways, like that's completely fine. Like the answer is in the stocks. It's like the indexes don't matter. Like how many times off of a bottom? Like if you go back to 2020, like the best setups. If you go back and watch Paul Maggie streams, the best setups were occurring up here, way off the index lows. Like sure, you had stocks go here, but a lot of the really good ones, your Invaxes, your Teslas, they were occurring back up here. $2020. Okay, so like this huge Tesla run was in November of 2020. November and August. November and August. So the QQQ, right, November, like, bro, like this is after, like the market's pretty much topped, right? Not, it hasn't topped, but it's just consolidating now. But you have stocks that are breaking out, going to new highs, like Tesla. And then August, you have, again, way off these lows, but you have this final run up, and like you can get the big moves in the final runs. Even in even this year or last year, 2024, like I remember for me personally, like you had this big run in December, and a lot of really good setups happened like in January on the pullback. And then, you know, and then on August, like a lot of the best stocks, like you couldn't really get much right here. I think I got Lucid, and that was like I got some EV stocks, but a lot of like the best like momentum names didn't start setting up and going until this period right here. And then same thing, November 6th, stocks didn't really start setting up until November 20th. So 14 days after the election, when the market was pulling back, that's when stocks were setting up and stocks were breaking out. So you can't be scared to buy on pullbacks like for the indexes. But that's why you just have to pay attention. You just have to pay attention to the stocks because during this period, stocks were ripping, but like you couldn't really get entries. Like maybe you had a couple of EP entries on November 6th, but a lot of the good breakouts were like here and then here at the very end of the move. Like I remember I made a shit ton of money in this little period right here. This small period does not look that many days, but I made a ton of money in that period. So it's like you don't want to chase all the way up here because you're gonna get something like this. You're gonna get a pullback. You're gonna get sideways, and then stocks are gonna set up. And this is day 3 of a new bull market, right? If you're saying a bull market starts above the 200, well then this is the start of a new bull market. There's no rush. There's no rush. Zero rush at all. Zero. There's just not. And then you look at, I was looking at some data, dude. The only times the market has fallen and reclaimed, this much, 1982. 1982, which was the start of a new bull market, okay? 1982, back here, and you had like 5 years to make money. 2008, right? 2008, you had a 2-year bull market after this 08 crash, bam. So yeah, 08 right here, 2009, and then the most recent one, COVID, and you had again a big bull market. So there's no rush at all. There's no rush. You know, the chances that we have a huge bull market are pretty high. Pretty high. Just looking at that data, and then again, oversold levels. COVID, 2011, 2008. 2008, big bull market, and going in 2009. 2011, 2012 was insane. You know, you had a lot of sideways in 2011, but 2012 to 2020 was an epic 8-year bull market, right? 2011 is this chop right here, and then 2012 pretty much straight up. And then you go into 13, 14, 15. You don't get real bear market till like 15, and then you have 18. But like the chances you have a lot of money to make in the next year, 2, 3 years, pretty high. Pretty high. So there's no rush. There's no need to FOMO or worry that you're missing like this move that we've had. Sure, there were some opportunities in like leaders specifically, but like speculative, like mid cap, small cap names, like that it hasn't even started yet. The actual run hasn't even started yet. So yeah, it hasn't even started yet. You know, Bitcoin's going to consolidate around all-time highs. There's going to be a crypto run. All these stocks are going to reset up. They're not even at all-time highs yet. Dude, Tesla's like, it's down at 300. All-time highs is 500. So you're not missing anything. There's nothing to miss. There's nothing to miss. Stocks are going to advance the most at all-time highs. PLTR just broke its all-time high yesterday. Just. SoFi. Not even close to its all-time high. So these stocks are going to go up and they're going to reclaim their all-time highs, and then they're going to advance way more than you think they're going to advance. But you got to be patient and not be stupid and FOMO and do all sorts of dumb stuff. Just got to be patient. A lot of these stocks are going to go way higher than any of us think they're. A lot of these stocks are going to go way higher than any of us think they can go, and that's just the reality. I mean, who thought a video was going to go up, dude? Like, who thought the video was going to go from 50 to almost like 150? Nobody. Not very many people. You know? Rocket Lab. You know, who thought Rocket Lab was going to go $6 to $24? I traded this from $6 and I sold it right here. December 2nd. That's when I sold. I traded this to $6 to $24. If you think I thought it was going to go to $24, you're out of your mind. I was just trading it. I was just listening to the stock. It was respecting its moving averages. Simple. It just respected its moving averages. I don't know how high it's going to go. Who thought Sound was going to go from, dude, $6 to, again, $24? I didn't think so. I missed this one. And then I thought it was extended right here, and then guess what? It ripped another $10. You just don't know. These stocks are going to go way higher than you think they're going to go. TXYZ. I didn't think when I bought it this day, I bought this with like half my account, that it was going to rip 70% in 3 days. 50, yeah, like 70% in 3 days, 4 days. But it's respecting its moving averages, so you just got to listen to the moving averages. Like, and you're a swing trader, of course stuff is going to pull back like this. Like, you're gonna have to like grab your balls. Stuff is gonna like come back and be red, and then like it's gonna go, eventually it's gonna go higher. So as long as it's respecting these moving averages, the 10, 20, even the 5, who cares? Let it work. That's why we're swing traders. This chart is noise. This chart is noise. Use it for entries. It's noise, because you can go right back up to highs. I mean, and if you really have FOMO, go to an hourly chart. This thing's not even below the 10 on the hourly. Tesla, not even below the 10 on the hourly. PLTR, above the 10 on the hourly. These aren't even below, like, people will panic sell stocks that are above their hourly moving averages. What are we doing? Get off the 5 minute. Let it work. Let it do its thing. Let it do its thing. Alright, that's all I got though. I'm about to get off. I don't know why. I just ranted for like 30 minutes straight. No bias this morning. I appreciate you guys. If you listen to this. If you didn't listen, I don't blame you. Sorry. Alright. See ya.